Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best electric MultiCooker Multifunctional Cooker. For your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion: smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best electric MultiCooker Multifunctional Cooker for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. When it comes to kitchen appliances, an electric multicooker is a game changer. This versatile device combines several cooking methods: pressure cooking, slow cooking, sauteing, steaming, and more, making meal preparation efficient and convenient. Look for models that offer multiple cooking options. A good multicooker can replace several appliances, saving both space and time. Choose a size that suits your needs. For singles or couples, a smaller model is sufficient, while families might benefit from larger capacities, typically ranging from 6 to 10 quarts. Intuitive controls and clear displays enhance the cooking experience. Digital interfaces often come with preset functions for common dishes, simplifying meal prep. Ensure the cooker includes safety mechanisms like pressure release valves and locking lids to prevent accidents during cooking. Removable, non-stick inner pots are essential for easy cleaning. Dishwasher-safe components are a bonus. Research brands with a solid reputation and read customer reviews to gauge performance and durability. An electric multicooker is a versatile addition to any kitchen. By considering functionality, capacity, and user-friendliness, you can find the perfect model that fits your cooking style and lifestyle. Invest in a reliable multicooker, and enjoy delicious, home-cooked meals with minimal effort. Thanks for watching the video.